Hello and welcome to Car Fix Automotive. Today's video we are going to about 8 reasons your car battery keeps dying. Number 1. Defective alternator. Most common cause. If you have a faulty alternator or bad alternator diodes, your car's charging system won't work. Consequently, your car will use more battery charge than the charging system can replenish, leading to your vehicle's battery draining completely. A bad alternator belt could also be the case here. If the alternator is working fine, but the belt isn't spinning fast enough, the alternator won't charge. Number 2. Leaving headlights on. Do you often forget to turn off your headlights? No wonder your car battery keeps dying. Headlights draw a lot of battery power, which is manageable when the charging system keeps replenishing the battery charge. Number 3. Parasitic drain. Numerous components in your car draw battery power without you noticing. From dashboard lights to car door sensors, if something is left on overnight or isn't turning off automatically, it can cause severe battery drainage. Number 4. Old car battery. Old car batteries often experience sulfation, preventing them from properly absorbing or dispersing current. Sulfated battery plates won't carry an electrical charge very well, and you'll be left with a weak battery. This is often why an old car battery won't hold a charge when it reaches the end of its lifespan. Number 5. Loose or corroded battery cables. Bad battery cables that have corroded will struggle to carry a charge. Similarly, when there's a poor battery connection between the cables and a battery terminal, battery posts, the circuit between your battery and electrical components will be open and disconnected. Poor battery connections can also occur if you have recently modified your car or replaced your car battery. Number 6. Consistent short trips. The starter motor uses a massive jolt of energy from your battery to crank the engine. You need to drive for the alternator to recharge the drained battery. However, if you only take a short drive, your vehicle's battery won't fully recharge and drain soon after. Try to drive at least 15 minutes, and limit your short trips to maintain a charged battery. Number 7. Car modifications. New electrical modifications, such as audio systems, could draw more power from your car's battery than it can provide. When energy demand is higher than the supply, a weak battery will drain completely. Recharging your battery is a temporary solution. A fully charged battery won't last long if the energy demand stays high. So make sure your battery is rated for your modifications. Number 8. Extreme temperatures. Least likely, extreme temperatures, hot or cold weather, can alter the chemical reactions in a car battery, affecting its ability to produce a charge. Some newer batteries with a cold cranking amp measurement of over 750 amps are built to handle extreme weather and have longer battery life. While these batteries are effective, you may still end up with a bad battery.